In this video, I will be showing you how to turn on the heating mode on the Daikin AC. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do is that you need to know what these signs actually mean. For if you are seeing this auto sign on your AC, it means that it's on auto mode. It will actually recognize the environment at an atmosphere around the AC and set the temperature accordingly. So if you see this two drop icon on the AC, it means it's on dry mode. If you see this breezing sign on the AC, it means it's on cool mode. And if you see the sun sign on the AC, it means it's on heat mode. And if you see the fan sign on the AC, it means that it's on the fan mode. So what you have to do is to set the AC mode to this sun sign, which actually means heat mode. So how you guys can do it is that the heat mode is used to heat the room during the winter. In this mode, you can select the desired temperature and fan speed. However, this mode is not available in all the models. To activate heat mode, press mode button several times until you see sun symbol on the Daikin AC remote display. So by that, you will be able to turn on the heat mode on the Daikin AC. So this is that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.